Welcome to this tutorial on how you can check if you're eligible for the PAWS token airdrop. PAWS has released their eligibility requirements, so I'm going to be taking you guys through it so you can be able to qualify for the PAWS airdrop. So guys, now you can see I'm on the home page of my PAWS mining app. So guys, you can see where it is written check eligibility. Let me tap on it to open it. You can see what's written there, check eligibility, connect your wallets on the claim web page to check your eligibility for the airdrop. So guys, let me tap on visit website to go over to the website. You can use whichever browser that you have. Let me use my Chrome browser. You can see now it's directing me to the PAWS website. Right now, I'm on the PAWS website. You can see it has directed me to the PAWS website. So what I will do now is to tap on the menu icon. You can see that three horizontal bar at the top left corner. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on claim. So let me tap on claim. Guys, you can see what's written here, check eligibility. You can see it has 3 steps. The first one is wallet connection. I've done that. You can see it has been marked. And by the way, if you have not connected your wallet, if you don't know how to do that, I've got you covered because I've already made a dedicated video that will teach you how you can connect both your Ton wallet and your Solana Phantom wallet here in this PAWS website. So what you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see the video link right there. Tap on the link. They'll be able to watch and learn how you can connect both your Ton wallet and your Phantom wallet here in this PAWS website. So guys, let's continue with the eligibility check. The second one is eligibility check. You can see it there, it has been marked as well. Then the third one is claim PAWS token, which is going to be coming up soon. So guys, now let me go down now to show you guys things that you need to see. So guys, now you can see the mandatory ones right here. You can see 3/4 is completed. That means I've verified on the website. I've completed 30 quests. Then I've saved from Grinch. The one that is loading there is the activity check, which is going to come up on its own. You can see it is written will be available soon. So you can see this is 3/4. So this is the last one. You can see it's still loading. So it depends on the PAWS team. So what you have to do now is to scroll down. So guys, now you can see recommended. They say this one is recommended. You can see the voting badge is recommended for you to actually do the voting badge. Then the second one there is explore Ton. So they are asking you to do a Ton transaction. So if you have not done any Ton transaction in this PAWS mining project, you have to do one. Then the third one there, which is the last one, is PAWS balance. So guys can see the minimum amount of PAWS that you should have in your balance is 300,000. But as you can see there, I have only 220,394 PAWS. You can see it right there. So what you should ought to have is 300,000. But if you don't have it, you don't need to bother yourself. All this section there are recommended. And also I recommend it to you. You have to do the voting badge. You have to do some Ton transaction. And also you have to make sure that you have up to 300 PAWS token, 300,000 PAWS token for you to stand the chance of getting a good airdrop. But for me, I don't think this is a must. This is just a recommended tax. So they are expecting you to do a voting badge. They are also expecting you to do a Ton transaction, and they are also expecting you to have a PAWS balance of 300,000. That's the minimum. So guys, now what I will do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. Wow guys, can see check eligibility. You can see it right there. They said congratulations, you're eligible for the PAWS airdrop. The token claim has not started yet. Stay tuned for the news on our channel. We will soon announce updates regarding our listing. So guys, now you can see it. I'm eligible for the PAWS airdrop. I'm eligible for the PAWS token distribution. So guys, now this I can be able to check if you're eligible, and also the things that you need to do in order to stand the chance of getting a higher airdrop. So let me go back now. So guys, now I've been able now to do this, and I believe this was good to you. If it was, do it to like. See you in the next upload. Bye.